Mayor, the Save Sulu movement is calling on you to declare martial law in 6 municipalities of Sulu because of the problem brought by the ASG. What's your thought on that, Mayor?
I need time to ponder on it deeply, and it is not only a political decision, it is an emotional decision. You do not tinker with the powers of extraordinary powers of the state. I would not just tinker with it as if it's a plaything. It's a very serious one. But kung ako ang magmamartial law, there's no way of telling how long would it take us to restore order. Or we might not really be able to succeed.